Come on, Cam. Come on. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. There you go.
Alright, you can do these unbroken, alright? Burpees. I highly recommend like 10, 10, 5, or whatever it is, alright? Come on. Alright? You are about 4 minutes into this. Good time. Let's go. Good. We got this again. Perfect. Let's get that side.
Come on, Cam. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Almost there, almost there. Come on, come on.
One more after this. Just one more. All right, come on, just one more.
Thought that was 5.
Just,
One too many. Steven, do I have to go with her? Steven, how do we video this?
6 minutes right now.
How do we video this? Katie, come on. Go with her. Go with her. Go, he said.
Go. I'm running.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
No, Katie. Oh, you don't have to run with her.
Oh, Megan told me to run with her.
I mean, just come right here, catch the angles. I wanted you to run with her.
What?
I want you to run with her so you can like motivate her.
Oh, okay. So you got this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Kind of like you did that one time.
Yeah.
All right, she's all the way there.
Yeah, I'll wait for her to come back.
You should hit her on that curb though, over there, if you can. You got Cam. This is your last part of this whole entire thing. Good steady pace here. Don't stop whatever you do. Come on, just keep moving one foot in front of the other. Come on.
Oh, you're so close.
Come on, you got it, you got it, you got it.
Come on, kid.
Woo! All the way to that door. Good easy pace here, come on. Right to that door, right back down. Come on. This is it right here, Cameron. Woo, starting to get some more air in those lungs again here. All right. If you can't, pick up your cadence a little bit more. Here, last little stride, last little lap here. You got it. A little bit faster. If you can't, come on. You're only 9 minutes in. You got plenty of time, but try to get that faster time. Woo! Katie, watch out. She on the way back yet? There's a car coming, guys. Cameron, I want you to sprint it out. 10:38 right now. You got it. Come on. Come on. Sprint to that door. You got it. Come on, come on. All you got right now. Woo! Sprint out, Cameron. Come on, get sub 11. Sub 11. Get there, get there, get there, get there. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.